How's it going, everyone? Come along as I get my 1974 Volkswagen Super Beetle ready for my favorite car show of the year, Volksfest, put on by the Apple Valley Volkswagen Association. Do we make it? Do we win our category? Well, if you saw the thumbnail, you already know, but the journey getting there is rad, so let's jump in. The day before the show, the Bug was in rough shape. Summer around here is not good for these air-cooled engines with temps above 100 constantly. And 2 months ago when I tried to take it for a cruise, she was having some problems, so I've got some gremlins to crush.
Oop, there we go. All right. We're not firing on a couple cylinders. Not good. Not running good. So yeah, like all those cheesy mid-2000s car reality shows where we gotta get the car ready for SEMA, or, oh no, we're gonna fight and stuff.
Oh no, Volksfest is tomorrow, but the Bug isn't running right. Will Dorky Jason figure out the problem in time? Find out after the break.
Hopefully we get this car running well, and then we also get it nice and clean, and then I'll take you guys along to the car show and we'll see how we do. Last year we actually won a trophy, so I should have done this video last year because it would have had a cool ending with a trophy and everything, but it's not about trophies. I mean, trophies are awesome when they happen, but frankly, it's just about having fun and chatting with people who are like-minded and masochists. who enjoy working on Beetles that are awesome and wonderful, but also they just require constant work because there's always something wrong with them.
Time to figure out which cylinders aren't firing. Simply pull a spark plug wire off the distributor one at a time to see if it affects how the engine is running. If it sputters, that spark plug and wire are fine. If nothing changes, then you found your problem.
And now for something completely different.
Go Panthers! Hey, well, we're back from Marley's first game. That was a lot of fun, so let's see if we can get this thing to run on 4 cylinders. Okay. Oh. Both plugs were very fouled up with carbon deposits. This is common with vehicles that are only driven short distances and possibly if the fuel mixture is too rich. I used brake cleaner and a brush to remove the carbon as well as some sandpaper to make sure the electrode was clean. I always use copper anti-seize when reinstalling spark plugs.
I think we're on the right track. We're running on all 4. Woohoo!
Biggest issues are solved, but I still need to clean the carburetor. This is a very simple process, even on this aftermarket Weber progressive setup. If you're interested in my setup, I have 2 awesome videos for you to check out. First is a car tour where I show all the modifications done on the Beetle and the original Our Super 74 short film that tells the complete history of the car from new to my full restoration process. It's definitely a little sooty right there, and there's a little bit of debris inside the float bowl here that we'll take care of. But let's go through and get each one of these jets and make sure that they're clean. Carburetor was indeed dirty, so I cleaned everything, removed deposits in the float bowl, and blew out all jets with carb cleaner. Reassembled, let it run in the driveway to burn off all the dislodged junk, and took it for a test drive.
Nice! That wasn't that hard. Woohoo!
Marley's coming with me, we gotta go get some gas.
What is this?
Why, that's Techron, Marley. Techron high mileage for high mileage cars. It's gonna clean the whole fuel system, keep the gas good, and keep our carburetor clean.
Don't you have boxes of this stuff in your shop?
Yep. Marley wants to learn the 2-bucket method. All right, Marley. One thing about washing is you want to go in straight lines like this way or this way. You don't want to swirl it. Very good. Very, very good. So this is the rinse bucket and this is the soap bucket. And just dip it all the way and like move it around a little bit. Okay, good. Or soap. And you go back to washing. So the rule with washing a car is you want to do the cleanest parts first, then to the dirtiest, so wheels are last. You're dirty hippies. Okay, bye, I gotta go. Made it. 30 minutes before the cutoff. Okay, we are all set up. Let's go walk around and check out the other cars. Props to this paint job. I love it. Oh, go ahead. You're fine. Oh, I'll get you. There we go. This wins best sticker. That's awesome. Well, let me give you a quick tour of the car and kind of my car show setup. So this is our vintage picnic setup. We've got a vintage cooler, vintage thermos, picnic basket, and quilt. And then also we have an original brochure for my car. This is a book of comics that came with the car when you bought it, and this is the original owner's manual with Amy's grandpa. From Amy's grandpa we have like, well, I'm not gonna show that information, that's probably private, but we got like original like notes about oil changes and all sorts of stuff in here. My family's here. Hi, family. Hi, Tovis. You ready to see a car show, Tovis? Guys, you have no chance. Let it go. Hi, I know you, and I know you, and you, and you, and you, and you, and you. Hello. Hi. Come on, Ripley! So I didn't come here knowing that Tug of War thing would be the most important thing in my life, but it is now.
It is now. It's on now.
We have to do it. When they yell go, you pull. Come on, Ripley! Come on, Ripley! Ripley! Do it! Whoa! Yes! Come on, Ripley! It's too intense!
You did so good!
you guys. Amy, are we going to be champions?
Hell yeah.
You see what happens, Larry? You see what happens when you find a stranger in the Alps? That's what happens.
Back out, be a man.
He gave them a run for their money now.
That was fantastic.
I'm a loser.
Hey, I'm back at the shop. I want to talk to you guys really quickly about a serious issue that the Beetle has where I am looking for some serious professional help. Not for me, it's for the car. So over at the back of the car, we have rust growing here, and you can actually see it bubbling through the paint right there, and it kind of grows down below as well. But we have rust growing essentially from the inside out, going through the metal. If you are in the central Washington area and you are an expert with Volkswagens or auto body or repairs like this, preferably if you've done this repair before, I would love to partner with you. I would love your help. Email me at the email on the screen, and also DMs on Instagram are also a good way to get a hold of me. So thank you all very much. Back to the car show. Woo! We're 210. 210. What number are we? I'm 210, but I have a 74.
Yeah, 68 newer.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
You got one.
Sorry.
68?
Yeah.
Car number 210. So it's
I'm 210. Yeah.
68 newer. That's on car.
That's me. Okay. Thank you. I think you said 68. Okay.
Car number 20. Is that you?
What does it look like? Aw, nice. Don't pull on it. Well, I wasn't expecting that. Thank you very much, Apple Valley Volkswagen Association. Won 3 of these. But anyway, that's how you win a car show, everybody. That's how you do it. It's easy as that. So until next time, everyone, God bless, and don't forget to do it yourself.